Okay, number 5. So we've got 2, -4, 1, 3 times by D, which is 3, 1. 3, 1. So, no, whoops, my mistake. Now, it's 1 row, 2 columns. D is not 2 by 1, it's 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So we look, and those two numbers are not the same. So A times D, and they said put undefined. A times D is undefined. All right. So you've got to be careful of that. Make sure you count the columns and rows correctly. All right, B take 2A. So B is 4, -1, 2, 0. So I'll do it over here. 4, -1, 2, 0. Take 2 times by A, which is 2, -4, 1, 3. 2, -4, 1, 3. Let's check I've got B right. 4, -1, 2, 0. 4, -1, 2, 0. Yep, that's good. Next. Now, it's best to do your scalar multiplication first. All right, so we've got 4, 2, -1, 0. Take away. Now, 2 times by 2 is 4. 2 times by -4 is -8. 2 times by 1 is 2. 2 times by 3 is 6. Then we can simplify it further here. 4 take 4 is nothing. -1 take -8 is -1 plus 8, which is 7. 2 take 2 is nothing. 0 take 6 is -6. So here we're left with our answer being 0, 7, 0, -6. Question 4. An ice cream stall sells both green tea and mocha tea ice cream. A small portion of either costs 75 cents and a large portion costs $1.25. During a short period of time, the number of ice creams sold is shown in the table below. So here's the table. Write down a column matrix N representing the cost of each portion of ice cream. So we've got a column matrix N. So that means it's got one column, and it's going to look something like this. So we've got a small portion costs 75 and a large portion costs $1.25. So here we've got 0.75 and $1.25. Okay. So N equals. Given that M equals this, evaluate M times N. Okay. Yep. So we're going to have M times N. It's going to be 3, 4, 6, 3, 0.75, 1.25. Okay, so we've got a 2 by 2 here, and here we've got a 2 by 1. So we're going to be left with a 2 by 1 matrix. So we've got 3 by 0.75. Okay, so that's this green tea, 3 of them. So 3 by 0.75 plus 4 by 1.25. and 6 by 0.75 plus 3 by 1.25. All right. And typing that into your calculator, you're going to get this. So you can type it in, and so 3 times 0.75 plus 4 times 1.25 gives me $7.25, and here we've got 6 plus 6 times 0.75 plus 3 times 1.25, which gives me 8.25. And number 3 asks, explain what the numbers given in your answer in 1 signify. So MN equals that. What do they signify? The cost. This is I. Yeah, you've got I. So cost of, let's have a look, the small and large ice creams. Okay. Yep, the cost of the green tea and the cost of the mocha ice cream. Okay. Yep, the green tea, cost of the green tea ice cream and cost of the mocha ice cream. All right. So what you'll find here is the mocha ice cream cost more. All right, because even though they've got more smaller ones, the cost of them, even though those 75 cents each, they got so many of them that it outnumbered this one large extra that they got with the green tea.